The training should be a high-level review of the service. It needs to be delivered to all investment employees, having a flow chart of how information needs to flow. What works for a big firm would probably not work for a small firm in this case. It really matters what the size of the licensed corporation is. You can, for example, consider ring fencing the market sounding information within team, maybe a particular person that can filter out this information. It can be within compliance, or it can be even outsourced to a consultant to ensure that's in place. If that's being considered, it's important that the staff training is clearly communicated to the staff. It will help the team and the licensed corporations a lot if they can incorporate RegTech into this process. This is one of the many processes within a compliance program. Nowadays, compliance reporting is actually a very key part of senior management reportings to demonstrate oversight. If you can incorporate RegTech into the market sounding process, it will reduce manual errors. It will improve efficiency, having just a straightforward process. So let's say market sounding comes in, you need to log it onto the system. You need to confirm with the disclosing party that standard script has been provided. Has there been written confirmation which the disclosing party should be sending to you? Has it been shared with you to save it up to the system? All these would reduce errors because if you do it manually, some may get lost. It will improve your management reporting in pulling the data out. And lastly, from an audit trail perspective, it will improve on that as well. It's always been an important part of MPI and setting restricted lists, especially for those firms where they have a lot of movement in their restricted list and they're trading in a large volume of stocks. In my experience, it's impossible to do it efficiently, effectively, manually. It's very expensive to do so. And I've seen companies where if you don't use the regulatory technology, it may be outsourced to another part of the country or another country. Let's say you're a large firm in Hong Kong and it's still being done manually and it's outsourced to India. A lot of errors tend to happen. Traditionally, in my experience, RegTech is a core part of the MMPI process and market sounding is just building on top of it.